Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete a vendor in QuickBooks Online. When you're managing your business finances, keeping your vendor list clean and up to date ensures you're only seeing active suppliers you actually work with, making your accounting workflow much more efficient. To get started, navigate to the expenses menu on the left navigation bar. This is where QuickBooks houses all your vendor and supplier information along with your expense tracking tools. Once you're in the expenses section, click on suppliers. This will bring up your complete list of all vendors and suppliers you've added to your QuickBooks account over time. Now it's time to find the specific supplier you want to remove. You can either scroll through your list or use the search function to quickly locate them by name. This is especially helpful if you have a long list of vendors. Once you've found the supplier you're looking for, click on the drop-down arrow that appears beside the supplier's name. You can also access this by clicking directly on their profile, which will give you the same menu options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Make Inactive. QuickBooks uses this approach rather than permanently deleting vendors because it preserves your historical transaction data while removing them from your active working list. This is important for maintaining accurate financial records and making sure past transactions remain intact for tax and audit purposes. After you select Make Inactive, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. This is QuickBooks asking you to confirm that you really want to proceed with making this supplier inactive. Go ahead and click Yes or OK to confirm your decision. This step prevents accidental deletions and gives you one last chance to reconsider. Finally, you'll want to verify that the supplier has been successfully made inactive. Check your active supplier list and confirm that the vendor no longer appears there. They haven't been deleted from your system entirely, they've simply been moved to your inactive list, which means they won't clutter your day-to-day vendor selection, but can still be reactivated later if needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.